my visa and everything, like it's process already done. Uh, I will say thank you. Still, I have to learn a lot of, and I'm confident that once I finish this work, I can crack any AWS courses certification within like 2 months. I can finish that one, and I can go in another good position, like more bigger position, like senior data manager. I can handle the more big teams, though I am handling the 5 people team, but I
Okay.
can go more project. My experience will be wide. Then I can go more on AWS side and that one. Thanks, Sachin. This
Welcome.
course is amazing, really amazing that one, because now I'm giving interview for the Indian companies also, because I put my resume in the Naukri. I'm getting call. I got just yesterday, day before yesterday. Thankful to say, I mean, Sachin is doing an incredible job in terms of the structure what he has prepared, which helped me quite a lot. Getting me multiple offers in different companies, and I was, as I don't know whether you know or not, but I have around 11 years of experience now, and I was working as a data engineer earlier also, but there was something missing, which I feel, going through the, scrolling down the LinkedIn and all. So I came to know about Sachin, and when I saw Sachin, post, then I just checked that whether what kind of a response and how Sachin is his structure is in AWS side. So it was quite impressive in terms of the structure he has designed, and he has done a lot of effort in to put in this to get the structure on the roll.
Okay, Kirti has a question. Any inputs on resume? She's asking.
So the Sachin is the best person because I reviewed my resume with him at the time. But you can put whatever you know, right? And also even you do some projects by yourself or whatever Sachin teach you, you can put it. But you should be able to answer. You should be ready for those questions, answering those questions. I'm 100% sure whatever Sachin is covering is like real time. That's same way you're going to work in some companies as well. So like some of the project, like you can put those projects and basically like prepare the question around it, because they're going to definitely ask you question if you put something in the resume.
Yeah,
Again, it depends on the interviewer. Some may be interested in fundamental more, and some may interested in your technology more.
So clearly I mentioned them, and they took 2 to 3 weeks, and in the month of November, first week, and they said, yeah, we'll give you the revised offer later, and they have given me. So to speak with them, whatever the confidence level that I needed, that was given by Sachin. Yeah, I booked my place. Then later part, they might might not find the exact candidate like me, correct? So they might wait after after creating our after recruiting us, they will wait some time, if yeah.
Yes.
So that is the thing I used. He said the same thing to me. They need, and they need to find the same requirement, same kind of experiences. So it takes time for the recruitment people also. So you can use that thing. First book your seat there, and then you go ahead, negotiate with them. So which I did, and it helped me. I'm very thankful to Sachin for all of this, because his support given me. So like how I started giving the interviews, and I cracked two interviews from that, and I joined one of the companies.
So those were the ghosts in front of me, and I tried multiple times to learn, but I wasn't getting the material which I should learn. And so this is the specific class which I got, and I'm thankful for you to creating such a wonderful course which has all the details related to the theoretical aspect and the practical aspect, because theoretically we will not be able to understand everything. Whenever we do the hands-on, we can easily learn. So I understood, yeah, these are the things, and in between your lectures were also hands-on related lectures were going on. So, and you were showing the kind of projects which will be end-to-end flow, how it will looking like from the pipelines perspective. Though I was able to relate the things from my existing data engineering background, so it was very helpful to get into that level so that I can easily create the.
So I mean, so because of that, I was able to create a story out of it, a project story basically. And yeah, I mean, for that, I would definitely like to thank Sachin. So because of that, I was able to mention my AWS work experience.
Then I mean, I just connected with Sachin, and I just trying to understand like how Sachin is going to help me, and with the positive feedback he has with the previous batches, and then I jump in and joined Sachin. So the good thing is he has I mean very good structure. So if you are going for AWS data engineering side, it's quite helpful. So reason why I'm saying this is it was if you go for some interview on AWS sites, mostly it will be you ask for mostly how you create the pipeline, how you optimize the pipeline. So when I enroll in Sachin's batches, I mean no AWS, so I came to know about how to create a full ETL pipeline in using AWS services like Glue and step function and then Lambda and rest of the services. So then I started looking for some project which he has already prepared. Then I worked. I mean, whatever he has given on the project side, I have completed everything, and I thought of let's start with the giving interviews. So as I said, I was already working on AWS, but very few services, and but since after this Sachin course, I connected the dots, and I just prepared my resume based on the same project, and I just prepared even my project, and I just connected all the dots what I have learned from his course, and then from there I just picked up, and I was able to explain them like what project I was working on and how I have achieved this. So that's why it's quite helped me. And one thing I need to say that if you have whatever the Sachin courses, if we will complete all, I guess there is a no point of going for other references. If you can crack the interview easily, very easily, because I have faced, and now I'm in interview panel of this company, so I can see the people who are coming in for interview. They have, I mean, quite. I would say that very less in terms of giving the explanation of what they are using it. So I can see if you guys complete, AWS services from Sachin, I guess it's quite help you in cracking the offers. That was my experience, I guess. I mean, yeah. To add on this, on top of it, so I guess Sachin, what you have said, right? So I can say that it is quite helpful for me to cracking the interviews, which I feel AWS side you will not get anything any kind of blocker in if anyone complete all the courses, whatever they have assignments and all, and the lectures you have. I guess it's quite helpful, which I feel one of the pillar which helped me to clear the interviews.